Ever felt a tingling sensation in your hands or feet? Maybe sudden sharp pains that come out of nowhere, or even muscle weakness that makes simple tasks difficult? If any of these sound familiar, you're not alone. Nerve pain can be frustrating, but what if I told you that certain natural drinks could not only soothe your nerves, but also help repair nerve damage? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have 9 powerful drinks in your arsenal that are packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds to boost your nerve health. And trust me, the last drink we'll cover is a total game changer. You won't want to miss it. First up, we have a superstar when it comes to antioxidants, green tea. Did you know that green tea contains something called catechins? These little warriors help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major causes of nerve damage. Oxidative stress is basically your body rusting from the inside out, and trust me, your nerves don't like that. But drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea a day can help slow down this process, protecting and even regenerating your nerves. Also, add a squeeze of lemon to your green tea. Why? Vitamin C in the lemon helps your body absorb the catechins even better. Now let's talk about a drink that's been around for centuries. Turmeric golden milk. You might know turmeric for its bright yellow color, but the secret lies in its active compound, curcumin. This potent anti-inflammatory can drastically reduce nerve pain by calming down inflamed nerves and tissues. Adding a pinch of black pepper enhances curcumin absorption by 2,000%, so make sure to add that dash of pepper when you make this drink. Plus, it's a great way to wind down before bed, as it helps your body heal overnight. Feeling a little extra? Toss in some cinnamon and ginger for additional anti-inflammatory benefits and a delicious flavor twist. Now let's get into something earthy yet vibrant. Beetroot juice. Beetroot is packed with nitrates, which help increase blood flow, and good circulation is key when it comes to nerve repair. When your nerves get better blood flow, they also get more oxygen and nutrients, which speeds up healing. But that's not all. Beetroot is also rich in antioxidants like betalains, which actively protect your nerves from further damage. Fresh beetroot juice is best, but if you're not into juicing, look for a quality bottled option with no added sugars. Mix beetroot juice with a bit of apple or carrot juice for a sweeter taste and an extra boost of vitamins. Who says healthy can't be delicious? The next drink is a treat, a blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress in your nerves. By neutralizing free radicals, blueberries help to repair damaged nerves and improve overall brain function. But let's take this smoothie up a notch. Throw in some spinach for extra vitamins, chia seeds for omega-3s, and almond milk for a creamy texture that's dairy-free and full of calcium. Bonus: this smoothie is great for breakfast or as a post-workout snack, giving you energy while taking care of your nervous system at the same time. Feeling stressed? This next drink is perfect for calming both your mind and your nerves. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is not just for sleep. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory and can help reduce nerve pain, especially in cases where stress and anxiety are contributing factors. Chamomile has been shown to calm the nervous system, making it a great option to drink before bed, helping your body and nerves heal overnight. It's also wonderful for people dealing with nerve issues like sciatica or carpal tunnel syndrome. Add a spoonful of honey to your chamomile tea for extra calming benefits and to boost its anti-inflammatory properties. Moving on to something hearty and nourishing, bone broth. If you've been dealing with nerve pain for a while, you know how debilitating it can be, and that's where bone broth comes in as a real game changer. It's rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals that help repair the myelin sheath, the protective covering around your nerves. Drinking bone broth daily can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to rebuild and restore nerve health. And if you can, make it at home. Homemade broth is packed with more gelatin and nutrients than store-bought versions. You can add garlic, ginger, or turmeric to your bone broth for an even more potent anti-inflammatory effect. Ginger tea might be known as a stomach soother, but did you know it's also a powerhouse for nerve health? Ginger contains bioactive compounds that reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation, both of which are essential for nerve repair. Its warming effect can also soothe nerve pain and discomfort. For an extra boost, add a splash of lemon or honey to your ginger tea. This not only enhances the flavor, but also packs in more antioxidants and immune-boosting benefits. Before we dive into the last 2 drinks, which might be the most transformative, hit that subscribe button to Wellness Ways. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on more natural remedies and wellness tips. Now let's talk about something a little indulgent. Dark chocolate cocoa. It turns out that dark chocolate can actually be good for your nerves. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao is loaded with flavonoids, which are potent antioxidants that protect your nerves from oxidative damage. It also boosts blood flow to your brain and nervous system, promoting better nerve function. Not only is this drink delicious, but it's also a great way to indulge in something sweet while giving your nerves the support they need. For the best results, make your cocoa with almond milk and avoid adding too much sugar. Dark chocolate also boosts your mood by increasing serotonin levels, which can be a bonus for those dealing with nerve pain and related discomfort. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is well known for its skin healing properties, but it's also a nerve repair superstar. It's rich in B vitamins, particularly B12, which is essential for nerve health and neurotransmitter function. Aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling around damaged nerves, allowing them to heal more quickly. Choose organic, pure aloe vera juice for the best results, and try adding it to smoothies or mixing it with a little water for a refreshing drink. So there you have it, 9 incredible drinks that can support nerve repair and help alleviate symptoms of nerve damage. Whether it's the antioxidant-rich green tea or the soothing properties of chamomile, each of these drinks has unique benefits for your nervous system. Try incorporating one or more into your daily routine, and let me know how they work for you. And don't forget to check out my video on the 3 essential vitamins for joint pain after this one. It's packed with tips that can further support your overall health. Thanks for watching, and cheers to your nerve health.